All right, so I just put together an epic Easter egg hunt. I've got 9 special Easter eggs that I've planted Repair Dad style. And whichever kid finds the most expensive Easter egg gets a prize. So let's see. Now, I've scattered these 9 Easter eggs around the sides. That's actually my neighbor's yard right there, but I've got these special Easter eggs planted all around the house. Yeah, there's one. There's a rotten egg right there. We won't even talk about that. Look at that little guy. We got one there, and we got one back there. Let's see who. All right.
Cheese.
This is 2026 Repair Dad Easter Egg Hunt. I've got 5 Easter egg hunters. And there's 9 special Easter eggs. Now, whoever finds the most expensive Easter egg, all right, there's only one expensive Easter egg, the most expensive, wins $20. What's that?
Can we just do $20 anyway?
We'll see. Depends on how good you guys do. This is the 2026 Easter egg hunt. There's 9 special eggs. Get as many as you can. Just pick it up. Uh-oh. All right. Now, whenever you can put them down in a spot, and then we'll see who's got the most expensive one after. Woo! All right. How many have we found so far? You got 4? How did you find 4? All right, pick it up. All right, carry them over one at a time. Did we find 9 yet? Tell Braylon to help you. Braylon, go over there and help your sister. It looks like Chloe found the most number of Easter eggs at 4. Jordan has got a cool gray one. He found 1. Looks like Jaheim's got 2. All right, cool. Isabella, what do you got? Izzy. All right, you got those 2. And then Braylon, he struck out swinging. I don't think he cared. All right, so let's take a look. Which one you got here? Turn it around. What's it say on it? 410A. And you're right, that is the China version of 410A. That's why it's gray. Okay, Isabella, what do you got?
I don't even know.
You don't even know? Keep spinning it around. Uh-oh, you don't see it anywhere, do you? Look at that. That says R454B. R454B. And you got another one, 410A. Okay, what's Jaheim got?
I got like orange.
Ooh, Jaheim's got the orange, 407C. And the pink, 410A. Now let's see what Chloe's got. Chloe's got a whole harvest of 410A. So, Isabella, she got the 454B and the 410. Jordan got the 410. You got the 407C and the 410. Chloe got 4 jugs of 410A. And Braylon struck out swinging. He actually helped his sister carry one. But anyway, so the winner of the 2026 Repair Dad Easter Egg Hunt with 1 20-pound jug of 454B, Isabella found the most expensive egg. I'll give you guys a guess. How much do you think 1 jug, 20-pound jug of 454B cost?
$150.
All right, he said, matter of fact, all right, just pretend like you didn't say that. I got another prize. Whoever guesses the closest price will get. All right, Isabella, how much do you think 1 jug of 454B cost? You can say any dollar amount.
Ooh, $300. 310.
310. Jordan, what do you think? 200.
165.
165.
180.
180. Braylon, how much money does one jug of 454 cost?
Probably gonna say 5.
How much money?
Sweet.
3 what?
4.
$4? Okay, thank you. The cost of one jug of 454 cost me $630.
Sounds right.
And so Isabella was the closest.
No.
She said $300. You guys let the 10-year-old win.